It's Dr. Lander here at Advanced Animal Care in Richmond, Kentucky, and today I'm going to be talking about what you can give your cats for pain management.
All right, Dr. Lander, how do I know what medication is safe to give my cat?
So medications that are safe to give to your cat, ideally after a full history, physical exam, and an assessment there, maybe even some diagnostics, medications that are prescribed by your veterinarian are the best ones to consider.
Can I give my cat NSAIDs?
So NSAIDs, like maybe we're used to Tylenol or Advil at home, those things can be very toxic to dogs and cats, especially if, like I said, we're not considering the appropriate dose, all of that. You should never give those things to your dog or your cat. NSAIDs prescribed by a veterinarian can be considered.
So can I give my cat human pain meds?
I would not.
Okay, what are some alternatives for pain medication in cats?
Alternatives for pain medications, ideally, yes. We don't always want to just throw medications at animals. We want to necessarily consider things like, hey, how are they at home? Are they eating too much? Could we maybe lose some weight? We'll say cats especially, maybe they have arthritis. If we lose some weight, that will really help a lot.
So, are there any all-natural painkillers for cats?
There are. I will say, the regulation and kind of the studies behind those are kind of limited. So at the end of the day, I would recommend something medicinally prescribed by your veterinarian.
How do I know if I need to bring my cat to get pain medication?
Change in behavior is a really big indicator for cats. Like I said, a lot of times they're very stoic when something wrong is going on. So definitely consider how they are normally, and hey, maybe they aren't so normal now, and try to bring them into your vet to be assessed.
What is the best way to give my cat pain medication?
As for the options at home, oftentimes those will be oral medications. Anything else, maybe we give something injectable or something like that in the clinic or in the hospital, but to go home, usually orally.
Are there any tips on how to give them orally?
So maybe you have to pill a cat, which pilling a cat is a funny concept, but some cats really handle it well. So the best thing to do is kind of grab the top of their jaw, it's called the maxilla, this bone here, maybe bring down their lower part of the jaw and just pop the pill in, close their mouth and massage their throat. But oftentimes cats take liquids better, so just measure up the prescribed amount and pop it in their mouth and just encourage them to swallow.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Let us know if you need anything.